Take a moment to check out the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a convenient, comfortable, and capable Hyundai Palisade, the spacious 3-row crossover with a silky smooth ride, V6 power, and premium interior. This versatile SUV combines style and functionality in perfect proportions to create the ideal family excursion vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, hands-free liftgate, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Sophistication meets family-focused flexibility in this can-do Palisade. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.